Beermen versus Beermen, nagkatapat na sila Keith Jimenez versus Alex Cabagnot at Arwin Santos sa MPBL. Beermen connection nila Crunchman at Spider-Man harapang pinamuka kay T-Rex, pero ang bawi naman ni Keith, hinilo ang dalawang PBA legends. Mahigpit ang kanilang bantayan, tinirahan ni Cabagnot si Keith pero pumapalag si Jimenez, binlang kasi The Crunchman sumasagot din ng long range 3. Ang ganda ng palitan. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
Provide some scoring in the second unit and to ensure continuity.
Things up, no? Especially in the offensive end. Yung fast break game still there for Sarangani. Can't get that one to fall. Running start for Enzo Hoson. Finding a wide open Adi Santos. Tempra again, Adi Santos.
The efficient shooting from the field as well. That was a very good shooting day for him, but not for the rest of the Gripper.
Minute remaining here. Pasturan at the corner. Oh, great backdoor cut. Eman Calo.
Set when they play fast-paced basketball. Basilan is a tough
pass. Sunga is guarded by Alex Cabagnot. Lars Sunga powers through. Is able to recover. Cabagnot, same spot. Different result this time. Way off target. Baseball pass from Viernes. Keith Jimenez. Wraparound pass to Danny Marilao, who scores in traffic. Offering that screen for Jimboy, who knocks down Jimenez off to the races. The pass! Danny Marilao, pass! Sa poste na naman, Lars Sunga has been feasting that rainbow distance. Adi Santos, tatakbo na naman, walang kapaguran. Malakas. Tira doon ni Raymar Caduyak. Mix Pascual will not hesitate, and finally,
always been a great offensive player.
As well as this guy, Jervy Cruz. In the possession on defense here against Basilan. Cabagnot from the free throw line knocks down the jumper to re-establish.
Sarangani to start third.
Adi Santos, Cabagnot, same spot, same result. Back-to-back. Get Jimenez getting past Eman Calo, but again the defense.
Sarangani star guard Keith Jimenez is finally slowly getting back on his feet. Dumating siya sa point na kinain na ako ng frustration ko at nawala ako sa rhythm ko dahil nag-live.
The game really propelled itong Sarangani to an all-important victory against Muntinlupa in that contest as Arwin Santos, the one that was really telling in him breaking out that particular.
The Spider-Man is so much more involved here with Basilan.
Long three-point shot. Jimenez. Cabagnot. Oh man, nifty move from Al. Viernes has yet to get it going. Now it goes downhill for by Dagangon. Numbers here for the guys in white. Dagangon. Caduyak, easy 2 points.
Doro in Binyan.
Just gonna be one game behind those two teams. James Tempra, 67-55. Ganda nung hanap ni Jervy Cruz. Lars Sunga now. Breaks down the defense. Dagangon still gets inside.
Dagangon, how hard is it to get a shot off of two despite all
playing without
for all you young players out there, the style points, they don't really matter.
Really likes this matchup against Charles Caliano. Alex. Oh, the cut. Another block, Alves, but
this afternoon, we haven't seen this in a while. Especially compared to when he was playing for Pampanga last year.
Yeah. Jeff Viernes. Will not drop. Cabagnot got blocked by Keith Jimenez. Keith to Caliano for 2 more points at the beginning of the season. It was more of them trying to fit in.
Yes, that is correct.
Jeff Viernes finally named have certain implications here in the South Division now.
Yeah, that's why it's gonna be interesting to see how these games.
Brotherhood. Kit Jimenez escaping the defense of Raymar Kaduyak against the Quezon Huskers with back-to-back wins against teams na kadikit nila.
In Binyam, now 12 and 11 itong Basilan Star Horse.